Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something exciting for all you smoothie and juice enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender, a true game changer in the world of portable blenders. Hey there, folks! If you're on the hunt for the best juice mixer on the market, look no further than the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender. This sleek and portable powerhouse is designed to make your blending experience not just convenient but also stylish. Let's talk about what makes this blender stand out. It's packed with fantastic features that make it a top contender in the portable blender category. First off, it's cordless and lightweight, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go blending. Whether you're at the gym, office, or on a hiking trip, the Ninja BC151BK has got your back. It boasts an 18 ounces vessel capacity, perfect for whipping up your favorite blends. From smoothies to protein shakes and even frozen drinks, this blender can handle it all. Now, let's talk style. The Ninja BC151BK comes in premium colors, allowing you to choose one that suits your unique style. And here's a game changer: it's equipped with an easy open sip lid that lets you blend and drink in the same vessel. No need for extra cups or containers. But it's not just about looks and convenience, it's about blending power. The Ninja BC151BK features Ninja Blast technology, which means it can blast through ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Now, let's see it in action. We're going to put this blender to the test with some ice and frozen fruits. As you can see, it effortlessly creates a smooth blend, making it ideal for those who crave their favorite frozen treats. Cleaning up is a breeze with this blender. Both the lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Plus, it can self-clean with a 30-second blend cycle with water and a drop of dish soap. Talk about convenience. The Ninja BC151BK is powered by a USB-C rechargeable battery. Just imagine the freedom this gives you. You can charge it practically anywhere. So there you have it, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender, the best juice mixer on the market. With its portability, power, and style, it's a must-have for anyone who loves their smoothies and shakes on the go. If you're looking to up your blending game and enjoy your favorite drinks wherever you are, this is the blender for you. So why wait? Get yourself the Ninja BC151BK and blend your way to a healthier and more convenient lifestyle. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.